Now, Storm Tracker 9 weather with Chief Meteorologist Justin Stapleton.
All right, we were talking about the big winter storm blasting across the East Coast. Now, the back end of that, or what we're seeing behind that storm, is what will likely be the stronger of the two weather stories. Not only the 17 inches of snow that fell towards Boston and about 6.5 in New York City, but also the bitterly cold temperatures that are going to be approaching as we head in towards the weekend. Let's go outside and I'll show you what we've got. In fact, here in the Northwest, it's been fairly mild, even though we will be chilly tonight. We're talking air temperatures that are going to be falling into the single digits for highs over the next couple of days across the Great Plains, into the Great Lakes and into the Northeast. Overnight lows falling well below zero, and wind chill factors possibly getting close to about 20 to 40 below. Now, this is the next storm system heading southward. You can see some frozen precipitation, lots of heavy snow expected as well. And again, you've got NFL games. San Francisco going to Green Bay, which I can assure you is nasty this time of year up there. In addition, Philly also hosting a game. They will also see some pretty not very pleasant weather. Now, we are actually in store for some fairly nice looking weather as we head in towards the weekend. Dense fog in the valley, yes, that'll be there in the morning, but I do think we should have enough of an offshore wind, enough of a scooping of the air that we can kind of mix out that fog by late afternoon. So we'll start off with it in the morning. Should be fine by the afternoon. You can see out along the coast, clear skies up in the mountains as well. No snow expected for the mountains, unfortunately, ski resorts, but we should be looking at plenty of sunshine. So we got freeze watches out for Coos, Curry, and Douglas counties. Those go overnight Saturday night into early Sunday, when we expect probably the coldest morning. In addition, air stagnation advisory for Douglas County has been extended through 12 p.m. on Monday. For today, we saw the afternoon high of around 49 degrees. Rainfall, not much, only about 0.04 of an inch, so just basically a trace amount or so, and we have picked up not enough. We're already starting in the negative category for 2014. I'll actually change that as we head in towards tonight. And the low is continuing to fall. We're at 39 right now. We'll continue to see that temperature drop before midnight tonight. 49, the high, as we said, there in Roseburg, 55 in Medford, 50 in the Dalles and out towards Bend today, 50 also in North Bend, and around 46 as you got out towards Newport. So here's the setup for the weekend. Big dome of high pressure continuing to push this rather impressive storm system back off to sea. And again, we've still got a lot of the really bitterly cold air. Remember when we had the snow on the ground, we were talking about the cold air that kept it all frozen? Well, that is all being pushed eastward, and that's where the 20, 40 below wind chill will come from. We're still under the milder air mass over the Pacific Ocean here. And so while that will keep some cloud cover around and some dense fog as we head in towards the morning hours, by the time we get into the afternoons, especially out to the coast and in the mountains, should be plenty of sunshine. So here's how it shapes up as we head in towards your forecast. Sunny, mild and breezy at the coast tomorrow. East winds around 10 to 20 miles an hour. Could see gusting up to 30 out towards the beaches. And we'll see those temperatures in the mid-50s, probably even warmer as you get in towards Sunday's forecast. In the Umpqua Basin, late afternoon sun. Morning fog could be a little thick at times, low 40s in Elkton, around 45 as you get down towards Myrtle Creek. 45 Mackenzie Bridge and Oak Ridge, we'll see sunny skies and breezy conditions up in the mountains. No snow. In central Oregon, sunny and dry as well, with the west wind around 5 to 15. And here in the valley, we'll see dense fog turning sunny. And again, could see overnight lows dipping into the 20s the next couple of nights, ladies, so that may mean a few slippery roads out there. Otherwise, look at that. More showers starting to move back in. We'll see more of what we call a progressive pattern, and it's basically when the jet stream sort of breaks down a bit and we get these storms that are mainly being pushed off to the west of us start to roll on in. Very typical. You guys, we've all been here long enough. We know what that's like, and that means plenty of good snow up in the mountains. Now, we're not going to be making up 2, 3, 4 feet of snow, but at this point, they'll take anything they can get. And need to start laying down some base before some of the ones that do make their own snow can turn those on. Otherwise, enjoy the dry weather for the weekend as we get in towards next week. It's back to more typical forecast rain showers.
What we're used to, all right.
More like the Oregon that we know, right?
That's right.
Okay, thanks, Justin.